Welcome back everybody. This week's video is me turning a live edge maple bowl using Easy Wood Tools Carbide turning tools. So first of all we're starting with the mid-side finisher and we've got the maple blank between centers. And obviously we are just turning it to shape and taking off them corners.
What to do, they tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your hands and you will see. We are right where we wanna be. Nothing else really matters. They tell us what to do, they tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your hands and you will see. We are right where we wanna be. Nothing else really matters.
Right, it's starting to go around the bottom here.
They say that we are young and helpless, but we're just young and restless. They say that we are young and helpless, but we're just young and restless.
Trying to give it a bit of shape now.
We have met before. It's the same as always, waiting at the airport with your coat and gloves. Same time every winter, smiling like you knew me. And now all my emotions are searching for you in places.
Alright, we've got the mid-size rougher here now, and we're just going to create a foot and a tenon on the bottom of the bowl.
Time is standing still when you lift your suitcase, turn around and say bye. Oh, I would be a fool not to ask you gently if you stay forever. And now all my emotions are searching for you.
There's the mid-size detailer. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the tenon and just cutting it back so it matches the angles of the jaws of the chuck.
I will see you again next year. If my wish
reducing the size of it so it doesn't bottom out in the bottom of the jaws. And back to the mid-size finisher just to do a bit more shaping. There's the mid-size rougher. Go. Just going to use that just to clean up all the ridges. And there's the number one hollower. Just to give a nice transition to the bolt and the foot. There you go. Alright, we've got it flipped round in the chop now, and now we're just going to drill the centre out of a force in a bit. Go. There you go, as you can see that inclusion went all the way to the centre. Okay, we're going to start hollowing it out now using the number one hollower. So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
There's the mid-size finisher.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this
Bit of compressed there.
Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can
Alright, so I didn't think everybody needed to see all of the soundings, so I'm just showing some 240 grit here. But I did start at 120.
Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Another week, another day, another hour since you went away, and so cliche you didn't say goodbye. I've been waiting for so long, still debating what went wrong. All by myself, you pulled away, you couldn't say what we were struggling with. It's one of us, it's obvious, but who's to really blame? There's an aching in my heart, all the
And there you go.
that I've got.
Bit more compressed there.
Keeping me up at night.
Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain out. You can already see that grain pop.
I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find
Look at that inclusion, definitely adds character.
your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you. Ooh,
And finally some Danish oil from Hampstead Machine. Maybe the whole video wasn't in real time. I did obviously slow this bit down because it needed to be done. Look at the grain pop. Wow.
There's no way to save your heart. You just gotta play your part, and it will turn out all right.
I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button. There will be some pictures at the end. Please remember to share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. And until the next video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.
all the things I'm looking for. With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your door.